This is Jima. Today, I want to talk about instrument, ukulele. I have a lot, and each ukulele has different sounds with a body size. So first of all, I'm gonna show you the smallest one. This size, it's called Piccolo size. Smallest and sounds very different from other one. Sounds like this, octave differences. Something like that. This is a Piccolo. So cute and tiny. And next size. Soprano size. And this is only one I used from second-hand shop. And this one has already a lot of scratch. So I put the stickers. So this is the size of soprano. And many Japanese people use this size these days. So nice and comfortable size to hold. And sounds bit lower than Piccolo. This is the soprano size. Only 6,000 yen. I think original cost about double. I don't know, but it's really good shopping. Yes, I like this one too. And next size. That is my favorite one. This size called concert. I don't know why it's concert or not, but this is my favorite one. I used to use this one all the time, but it doesn't have the pickup jack or hole, whatever called. So I love these sounds. Like this. This is concert size. And sadly, I haven't been changing strings for a long time. So sounds not really quite right. But still sounds good. And I think this is lighter one. Lightest one, yes. Next size is this one. This is tenor, and I like this pattern of the wood, spotted maple, something like that. And this one has these things and hole to push into connect the shield to the amp, and sounds like. Very sick sounds, I think. Very heavy sounds. But I really like this one. This is tenor. And the same size I always using now is this one. This one is the same size tenor, but it has 8 strings. And also this one has hole to connect to speaker. Very colorful sound because it has 8 strings. So sounds really cool, so I'm always using this one now. Okay, I don't sing a song and play, I'm just introduce the instrument now. And bigger one is not ukulele, but this is guitar. It's a parallel sized guitar. It's a little bit bigger than tenor sized ukulele, but much smaller than usual guitar. I haven't been tuned this one, so out of tuning. Okay, anyway. Yesterday, I explained about the Chinese sweets called Geppei in Japanese. My friends who makes this one sent me the mail and message, and he taught me the correct words for Geppei in English. This is called mooncake in English. Yes, that's a correct word. And inside stuff, sweet stuff, made from beans, that is called sweet bean paste. So it's really like a paste. So sweet bean paste is a correct name for English. The inside sweet parts. And it's panda, of course. And it's black and white sweet bean paste in it. So I think you wanna watch inside. So I'm gonna open it and take it out. Yes, it's panda. It looks really tasty and looks yummy. So I'm going to break into half. Ta-da! It's black and white bean paste. Looks so cool. Itadakimasu. Tastes so good. So if you have a chance, I really recommend you to try this one. Yes, mooncake. Geppei in Japanese. And the black and white one is only for original from the shop, which my friends owns. So that's all for today. Have a good tea time break. See you!